Good morning, children. Hope you're all doing good. Let's begin our another session of online audio video lessons. I'm Shailaja from Shetvidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today's subject English Poem Class 7th Lesson 3.1 Topic Tartary. Video number 21. Shall we start, children? Tartary by Walter de la Mare. Here are the meanings, children. Just give a reading. Tartary by Walter de la Mare. Walter John de la Mare was an English poet, short story writer, and novelist. He is probably best remembered for his works for children, for his poem The Listeners, and for a highly acclaimed section of subtle psychological horror stories. He was born on 25th April 1873 and he died on 22nd June 1956. Here is the summary given, children. Just give a reading before you proceed to the poem. Tartary 3.1, page number 55 in the textbook. If I were Lord of Tartary, myself and me alone, my bed should be of ivory, of beaten gold my throne, and in my court should peacocks flaunt, and in my forest tigers haunt, and in my pools great fishes slant. Slant means tilt. Their fins athwart the sun. Athwart means across in slanting direction. If I were Lord of Tartary, trumpeters every day to every meal would summon me, and in my courtyard bray. And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine, while harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. If I were Lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold and green they would be, and cluster thick as seeds, and ere should wane the morning star, I would don my robe and scimitar, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades. Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her rivers silvered pale. Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood, and dale. Her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless seas. Her bird delighting citron trees in every purple vale. The poet here, he says that if he was the only ruler of Tartary, Tartary means it's an imaginary state, he would have bed of ivory and throne which is made with lot of sheets of gold. He would have a court of peacocks where peacocks would proudly show off. Flaunt means show off. There would be tigers in the forest of his forest of Tartary, and his pools would be full of big fishes whose fins would move in the sun. He also says that if he was the Lord of Tartary, trumpeters would call him for every meal every day and blow their trumpets in their courtyard, in his courtyard. In the evening, yellow, red lamps would shine. Sweet and gay music would be heard and played by musical instruments. What are the instruments mentioned here? Like harp, flute, mandolin. If he was the Lord of Tartary, says the poet, if he would wear a robe made of, robe means dress, attire, made of white, gold, green beads, grouped closely together like seeds. Before the morning star could disappear, he would wear his robe and carry his sword. His carriage would be drawn by 7 zebras. How many? 7 zebras. Through the dark places in the forests of Tartary. The poet sees himself as the lord of all fruits of Tartary, of her silver rivers, her hills, woods, and valleys. Nature in Tartary is beautiful, with shining stars, scented breeze, and rippling lakes. There would be citron trees. Citron trees means the citrus fruit trees in every purple valley, attracting many delighted birds in his Tartary. Revise the poem, children, and complete the exercises in the workbook. So until our next session, happy learning. Take care. Thank you.